All right, our Bitcoin kind of short-term price targets for the rest of this week. Okay, so we got to see how this candle closes today. Obviously, we got kind of rejected off of this kind of we call it call it the zone. We need to get back above this, so that would be step one. We've faced two rejections now off of it, and previous resistance here, support here, right? So this will be a big step that we need to overtake sooner than later. So what I like is that we have a low formed back here in January, and so far higher low. We don't want to really continue down. We're holding kind of this local support that we talked about yesterday around this 36 mid 36 to 37k. So if we lose that, then our next step would increase to coming down to this 35k level. That's to the downside. The positives, if we could break back up here, then macro level higher lows, and then we need to get back above here our 21-day EMA, which is moving down. Should start leveling off here in the next day or two. So we'll see where that target's at. Currently just above 40k. That'll probably break under 40k, and then probably in the next day or so. And if we can break above both of those and get back up here above 41k, then our next target to take out is clear 44.5 here. Take out these tops and maintain this uptrend. Okay, so we want to break this long downtrend. So far so good, and trying to slowly build back up. Okay, so another case for potential more bullish upside is if we flip to the Heikin Ashi candles for the first time in over a week now. Look, so we have overshadow here and then no overshadows, right? So that signifies pretty strong downtrend. And then look at today, right? So the bulls are hopefully starting to fight back here a little bit. You got a little bit of an overshadow, a little bit of undershadow. They're at a battle here. So we'll see what this ends up doing. And then hopefully tomorrow, maybe we can get some more overshadow and, mirror this, or, maybe give us a green. As crazy as that might sound, if we could get a green and with an overshadow, right, then we gotta, just kind of maintain it. And then, we'll take it a step at a time. So just a little bit of positives that I'm seeing. We'll see how we end up closing. That'll be the close. And then, don't forget that you could also, just if you don't want to worry about it, about the close, open, highs, lows, all that stuff, you can just put on the line chart, and it's just the closing prices here. So you can see how this today is blinking, right? Because it hasn't closed yet. But all these others are daily closes. So if you want that, you can do that. And it's pretty clear cut where you need to go. Going out to the weekly, and the big picture's looking okay. You can see the low. You can see hopefully a lot higher low. And then if we start moving back up here, again, like I said, take out these highs, take out these this area here. We can even move our little box up here, right? Because it doesn't look like much on this kind of line chart on the weekly. So maybe we have to take out the box here if we continue up towards this side. And the top of this is only about 43k. So 43k on the weekly, and you can see we might have a little bit of running room, because you could even take this all the way over here, right? And you got this same kind of zone support, resistance, kind of rejection, resistance. So this will be big on the weekly scale. 43k is your number. And right now our 21-week EMA, our kind of bull bear separation divider, right around 45k, almost to the number. Okay, so there's a kind of a quick brief summary as fast as I can make it on Bitcoin.